Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you love tropical plants but don't live in a tropical climate, check out this book for some great tips.
This is a sturdy hardback book, and I love how it starts off talking about recognizing our needs as plant parents, because sometimes we can choose plants that don't really fit with our lifestyle and they become harder to deal with or harder to care for or don't look as good as they should. So there's really great tips when it comes to that. Also, if you're looking to garden for food, for recipes, there's recipes in here and different ideas of how we can decorate our tablescapes with these beautiful plants. The colors in this book are really vibrant and beautiful. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about individual tropicals, the back of the book has an index that goes plant by plant so you can learn about them specifically.
So if you want to give your tropical plants the best care, this might just be the book for you. And that's my point of view.